Alright everybody, we are at Lake Erie, me and Uncle Steve today. That's it right there. We're going out there to catch some smallmouth today, so stay tuned because we're going to get everything set up. Alright everybody, we're on the water. We're going to get some lines down there and catch some fish, so y'all about to see something epic. Let's get some lines on the water. Okay. Got one. First cast feels like a good one.
Just in case.
It's pulling a little bit of drag. Oh, it's a good one.
Okay, hang on.
Oh, it's a football. Holy crap.
Okay, buddy.
You got the net?
Yep, I'm gonna get the net here for you.
Oh, come on. Come on. The net. The net.
Sorry, we're trying. We should.
Oh my gosh. Come here. Oh my gosh.
I told you.
First cast.
I tell you, buddy.
Look at that thing. Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
That's a 3-pounder right there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that net was all tangled.
Oh, I know.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. First cast. Oh,
Welcome to Erie.
that is what I'm talking about. What a way to start the day.
Oh, man.
All right, let me get him off this hook. Woohoo! Look at that.
Football season is in.
Man, look at that. Look at the belly. You know what? Look at the back. They are fixing to spawn. They're getting chunky. Woo-hoo-hoo. That is what I'm talking about. Alright. I'm gonna get the big camera for a good release of this guy. Big boy going back in the water. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, what a way to start the day with a first cast football smallmouth. Let's get some more lines in the water and catch some more like that, because that was exciting. Yeah, that bungee cord was holding on to the net. Oh, he's hooked up. I'm gonna reel this in, get the net for you. Another one hooked up.
Weird.
Oh, here he comes.
It's a freaking largemouth, isn't it?
Is it really?
It's a freaking largemouth, isn't it?
Look at that, a largemouth.
Largemouth.
What a surprise.
Holy freaking criminy.
Let me get the big camera out. Got a surprise largemouth here. Looks pretty good. He's chunky.
Come here.
Yeah, I got a good picture of him for you. Oh, that's a good picture.
Largemouth. I told
There
you
you
he was
go.
staying up top.
Yeah, he was coming up.
Crazy, huh?
Oh yeah. Pretty good start. Uncle Steve just caught a surprise bluegill. I didn't get it on camera. I was busy taking a leak. But look at that little guy. He hit the Ned rig too.
Drop shot.
Oh, I was on drop shot? Oh, there you go.
But a pretty good size one, you know? Not really bluegill. Not really designed for a bluegill.
Hey,
But hey.
we'll take it. That's just a little diversity.
That's it.
A little diversity. Let's keep catching them. Up again. Oh, he's jumping.
Head shake.
Do you need the net for that?
I haven't found out yet. That might be another large.
It might be.
I would be so shocked if it is. That would be a small one.
No, it's another largemouth. Look at that.
That is so weird. This has never happened to me. No, that's a smallmouth.
Is it?
Yep, that's a smallmouth.
Oh, deceptive.
Just a small one though.
Yeah.
Like a Clarion River one.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what though, it tells me something.
What's
Yeah,
that?
We're on it.
Oh yeah.
I mean, you know, they're here.
Heck yeah.
We'll find out.
Hooked up a little bit. Oh, oh, he's making a little pull on me. He's shaking that head a lot.
Usually good ones.
Oh, it's a good smallie. Oh, it's another good one. About the same size as the one I got earlier. Oh, he's diving again. There we go.
There you go, buddy.
Oh,
Nice.
a little bit smaller, but he's pretty. Look at that. Real gray looking. That's nice.
Cool.
There we go. Might be getting back into him. Woo, that felt good. That felt good. Thank you, thank you.
For the first hour on Erie, buddy.
Oh yeah. All right, everybody. Bite has slowed down a little bit here. Not bad. We could probably stick it out here longer, but we're gonna go try to find some more aggressive fish somewhere. We got what, 3 smallmouth caught, 1 pretty good sized largemouth, and a little surprise bluegill that Uncle Steve caught on the old drop shot. So we're gonna work a little bit, find some more spots, maybe do some bed fishing later. But we'll let you know what we end up doing. All right, spot number 2. A little bit shallower water, but there is not as much wind here. I'm gonna keep throwing this Ned rig. Uncle Steve's working a jerk bait right now. We'll see if we can figure out this area. Let's go for first cast. Oh, look at that.
Largemouth.
Another largemouth.
Baby.
I don't even know you set the hook.
Trouble looks in your face, but I'm trying to get them out. First cast.
Yeah,
Not
there you go.
Species, but
That's a fish.
you know.
All right, everybody. It is now 10:05. Trying to find some fish right now. Battling the wind, trying to find a spot where we can still make our cast and feel at the bottom. We're fixing to make a little run down the lake to go to a spot that I'm thinking they're going to be at next. So we will go there and catch them and show you guys everything that happens. So stay tuned. Man, if I had one of these houses, I'd just dangle from the front porch.
Oh yeah.
Hooked up.
Good one.
I can flip him.
Sure.
We'll find out. Oh, there he is. Oh, a little largy. Look at that. Not bad at all.
Chunky largemouth we caught it here.
Oh man, he swallowed it. He wanted it. There we go. See you, buddy. I just had to cast that straight into away from the wind and use the wind to fight it, you know?
Yeah, that's all you can do. I'm trying to do it out in front.
Yeah. We're hooked up.
No, I think it might be a
Let me get the net. It's staying down pretty good.
big, whatever it is. I think it's a drum, maybe. I don't like the drum move today. Like doing that. Coming up.
I'm waiting. Oh yeah, it's a drum. Come here, boy. There's a good little surprise catch. Pretty little freshwater drum.
Yeah, we'll take it. Looking for the goby.
Oh. Look at that guy. Oh yeah, he's pretty all right.
That was fun.
Oh yeah. There he goes. Sweet.
That's cool.
All right, everybody, little update. We have been battling the wind all day long. Started off really hot when it was calm, caught some fish, then the wind picked up, and we've been searching for spots ever since. Now we're back to where we started, picked up a couple fish, and now the wind has just lied down and everything is just really calm right now. So the plan is we're gonna make a run to some spots we wanted to fish earlier, but we couldn't because the wind was too bad and it just wasn't gonna work out in this boat. So we're gonna run down there and we're gonna see these spots and see if it's gonna be worth it. So stay tuned. All right, everybody, we're out on the big area of this vast giant lake. We're gonna be fishing these rocks. It is finally calm enough that we can safely get out here. So we don't have much time we have before it gets rowdy again, but we're gonna fish while it's calm, so stay tuned. Hooked up on the rocks. You want the net?
One here, man. How about that?
Yeah.
Let me get the net for you.
Where's he at? Oh, that's a good one. Woo!
I think I almost jumped into that.
Yeah.
For you.
Yeah, look at that bad boy. Oh, he is fat.
Isn't he?
Goodness gracious.
Grab a pliers here real quick.
Let me get the big camera out for you. Look at that bad boy. He is chunky. Woo! Look at that. All right. I'll film you. You want a picture of him?
Yeah, please.
I got it. He looks massive there. Woo!
One here anyway.
That was awesome. Let's get back in there. We might be able to pull some more out of there. Got a nice one on right now. Ooh! Come here, buddy. Oh my gosh, he's pulling some drag. Ooh. Oh!
Don't jump, baby.
My gosh.
That's a good one, buddy.
Gosh.
Very good. That's good.
Oh my gosh.
That's your personal one.
Oh, hands, come on, baby. Get in the net. Yes. Oh my gosh.
Look at that, buddy.
Oh my gosh.
That looks like my. That looks like my. How's in the bottom?
Oh no, get away from that edge. Good Lord, get in there.
Oh yeah, keep me with that.
God damn.
I had to get my line out.
Whoa. Look at that.
That's a
Oh man. What a fight. Let's see what it says.
Broke four. It broke 4.
That's 4
It's
even.
breaking 4.
Four
Yep.
even. That's what
4
I'm talking
even,
about.
4 pounder, man.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
What, ready?
Yeah, I got it.
4 freaking pounder. I gotta get your picture.
Yeah, definitely.
That's definitely your personal best.
Oh yeah. It's a haul. You want my phone?
I got one here somewhere. Oh man. What a picture that'll be.
Man.
Man.
All right, let's get him back in the water so she can get bigger. See you, girl. Thank you very much. Man, that felt good. That felt good. We got a big one hooked up here. Get the net ready.
Staying down.
He's staying down really deep. This is gonna be a good one. Oh, I can see him. Oh my Lord. Woo. Oh my gosh, I don't want to hit the line.
I know. I don't know where it's hooked.
Oh my. Where's he at? Got him. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at that guy.
God. We may weigh him, huh?
Oh yeah, we got to. All right, let me get the big camera.
She's broad there. She is broad there.
Uncle Steve just hooked the biggest one of the day. Hefty. Really hefty. Woo-hoo-hoo.
She's pretty, isn't she?
Really pretty. Look at that. That is what I'm talking about. Woo. Yeah, let's get the scales out.
Yeah, let's check her out. You get it to there. Right there. I think it's 436, but let's double check. There.
Definitely a 4-pounder. He won't stay still, but that's a 4-pounder, all right.
About 430.
Yeah, it was hovering around 428 for a while. Man, look at the belly. Woo! That is beautiful.
Can we get a couple with your phone?
Yeah, definitely. Ladies and gentlemen, that is why you do not leave. An hour ago, we were at our final spot. The wind was bad. We were discouraged, about to leave. And then the good Lord blesses us with like just abnormal conditions for Lake Erie. It is slick, calm. We came out here and now we are finding some big ones. We just caught back-to-back hosses. So,
Just another one.
oh yeah. I know we're gonna probably catch another one. It's just good right now. So I'm gonna get a line back in the water and get some more on video for y'all. Got another one on. Oh, that was a good jump. You want the net?
I think it might be.
Ooh, he's jumping. Here he comes. Oh, the professional move.
We're gonna go for it.
Oh, he's got him.
Pretty though. Not a very big one. Very pretty.
Oh yeah.
That's cool, man. They're here, buddy.
Man, all we had to do was just stick it out.
Yep. Made the right move finally.
We absolutely did. Goodness gracious. Oh yeah. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oh, we're hooked up. Oh, come here, girl.
Jumper.
There we go.
There you go, buddy. Got her?
Oh yeah, I got it. You can set it down. Oh, she was toying with it. I could feel that little tap, 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 tap. Oh. Grab some pliers. Come on, girl.
She caught it kind of off the back corner, didn't she?
Yeah, she was between us and the rocks. She was out deeper. There we go. See ya. Oh yeah. I have to rebend my hook back. She janked it all up. There we go. Another one. You want the net? Oh.
I'm getting greedy. What's some fight though? Oh, that's cool, huh?
Oh, I'm getting all of it.
Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Boy, they're fun to catch, aren't
Oh my gosh, yes.
they? They are just really fun to catch.
Look at that. That's beautiful. Here we go. Whew, man.
Good jumpers today, aren't they?
Every time I put the camera down, somebody hooks up again. It's getting crazy out here. Oh, got him. A little bit late on getting the camera up, but we got the fish.
The jumbos are adding up.
Oh my man.
That's another one.
Yeah, he's got to be 2.5, maybe even 3.
Yeah.
Look at that guy. Man, they're chunky.
That was that new color.
Oh, really?
Yep.
First cast with it.
Yep, first cast with that new color.
Sweet. He's up. And they're chunky, all right. That's pretty right there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's get some fish. Uh-oh. Got him.
Got him?
Oh, yeah.
Freaking cast we got down there, man.
Oh, it's a good one. He feels pretty good. Oh, oh, he broke it.
He broke it.
He literally broke it.
Oh, man.
Oh, my God.
You
That-
just tied that
I
not
know.
long ago, too.
Balls. I should have checked it from fishing around all these rocks.
Oh, that's it. Yeah, they do take a beat.
Ah.
Oh, man.
That's depressing. He looked good, too.
Get another one on.
Yeah.
You know that red box?
Is it in?
I love that.
Yeah, bass. Yeah, that's some sturdy stuff.
Terminal tackle box. Those are all the same.
All right, thank you. I gotta cut a bunch off. Hey, you got him.
Instead of bench me.
If that's the same one, I'm gonna speak in tongues.
This is small. I think yours is bigger.
We filmed
Yours
it.
had to have been at least a 3-pounder, you know?
He was pulling drag. I got you on camera while I'm sitting here tying my knot.
He's chunky though, I will tell you. And he doesn't want to give me the goby back.
There you go.
Should avenge you.
Thank you.
It must have been.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, here we go. Yep. He's definitely not as big, but he's a fish. I cast it way back there.
That's hard to do in case.
Yeah. Here he comes. Oh, he's just a little dinker.
It's a rock bass.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. It's a rock bass.
I was like, man, this thing's just giving up
Yeah.
fighting.
Yep, that's a rocker.
I don't think I've ever caught a rock bass before.
Oh yeah?
Look at that. That's pretty cool. Huh. Well.
They're really good at raid beds.
Oh, really?
Smallmouth beds.
Yeah.
Them and gobies.
All right, everybody. We're packing up now. It has been a freaking amazing turnaround for today. Both of us hit 4 pounds on a smallmouth bass. It was just unbelievable. So it was a good start. Then it got bad with the weather. Then as soon as it cleared, it just fired up out here. So I'll talk to you guys when we get back to the boat ramp. everybody. We got the boat all loaded up. We're headed home. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. If you haven't done it already, go check out the Instagram page, The Average Professional Sportsmen. You're gonna love it there. Lots of good posts and good humor for true sportsmen. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later.